Wow, I just found something really interesting. AI is paying out 10 USDC. Your withdrawal is in MetaMask wallet. You are being paid just for converting your native language. AI gives you a native language which is being written. All you need to do is use your voice note. Now, what you're going to do is to get the link of this app right there on the description of this video. But before I continue to discuss this, my name is Cosmos. I teach crypto updates, I teach Airdrop, I teach how to trade crypto. So if you want to actually trade crypto, head on our Telegram group, which will also be on the description of this video. I'm trying to get to 4K before the ending of this month, so make sure that you help me by subscribing. It is totally free. So go ahead and click that subscribe button right there. Head on and click on all here in this notification bell so that you stay alerted whenever I post any video, and also I drop normally on my YouTube status right here, so you can be getting updates. Okay, so what you should also do is to go ahead and like this video that you're watching right now. If you have any question at all, ask me down in the comment section. Don't forget to also drop comment. It also helps YouTube algorithm to push my video. So that is what you're going to do for me. Now let me show you how this app actually works. So I got this update yesterday. I've not made a lot of money yet, but this is nice. So this is my first recording. As you can see, it's still calculating the rifle ticket, and this is my second. It's still on pending. My third is still on pending. If AI actually accepts this recording that I did here, or someone purchases it, I'm going to be earning 6,000 rifle tickets, and these are funds. You are being paid in USDC and in rifle ticket. This rifle ticket can actually be converted into this USDC, but that will be explained in my next video when I'm discussing about the withdrawal. Okay, if you want to register, you're going to be using your email, and I'm going to be explaining that later. Let me just show you how this actually works. Let us say you have registered. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. You're going to see the quantify, and for instance, I selected Igbo and English. You're going to be translating Igbo to English, or you're going to be reading out Igbo, depending on what the AI gives you out. If it tells you to read out the Igbo that is right, okay, you're going to read out the Igbo that is right there, and once you are being verified, you are going to be paid directly into your wallet. Like, it's no investment, just speak to AI and get paid. Okay, so once you get here, click on the three dots right here and head to train AI. So click on the train AI section, you will see this. Okay, so head to continue. Just click on continue right here, and it brings out this Igbo right here. So it says speak about anything within the topic, at least 20 seconds to complete the task. For instance, let me read this Igbo. Ị na-azụ ahịa na internet ugboro ole? Ị na-azụ ahịa na internet ugboro ole? Okay, this means that are you marketing in the internet how many times? I think so. Okay, so I will click on this voice note section. I will say this and I will submit. Let me just do that right away so that you see how it's been done. Okay, just click on it. What you're going to do is to just click on this start recording and say this: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog near the riverbank. This will enable this app to check whether your audio is actually good. Okay, so make sure that you are in a nice environment. Make sure the environment is not noisy or anything. So let me just do it right now. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog near the riverbank. Okay, I just passed that. Okay, now let me do this. Ị na-azụ ahịa na internet ugboro ole? Ana m azụ ahịa na internet mgbe ọbụla m chọrọ. So you can actually see anything. Okay, you just see anything within that topic. So it's not about just using Igbo. You are going to use your local language. If you're in USA, you are in Germany, you are watching from India or any country, just make sure that you are really good in your local language. If you are good in your local language, you are qualified for this. So once you are done with your recording, head down and select the location that you are, whether you are recording from your house, you're recording from the restaurant, you're recording from the gym. So I'm literally in my office, so I'm going to click in the office. Okay, so the background noise, whether you or whether people are talking in the background, so that AI can filter the noise. Okay, this background, my background is actually silent, so I'm going to click silence. And how am I feeling? I'm feeling focused. Okay, so click on submit. So it's uploading the recording. That is how simple it is. There is no stress within it. Okay, as you can see, my recording has been submitted. Your recording has been successfully submitted and is now being reviewed. You can go ahead and start another recording. Like, you have to do a lot of recordings for you to earn massively. You know this free stuff now. You have to record a lot. As you can see, I have 0 USDC, although I started yesterday. I will paste another one like I told you, and I will be expecting some SLC balance. This SLC balance will be given to me by this app, which this SLC, when it is being given to you, for those that are actually going to withdraw, even if I've not posted, you know, some of you are faster than me. Okay, so if you have gotten some SLC in your balance, just go ahead and convert this SLC to USDC. It's simple. It's simple. You can literally click right here, the same point here, the same point right here that says convert to SLC. You can actually click the same point for you to convert the SLC to USDC, and you will also be given the rifle ticket. I'm still trying to get this. You will also be given a rifle ticket. So if you get this rifle ticket, you can actually go and redeem it. It's simple. If you have any question at all, just ask in the description of this video or in Telegram. I will give you a video on how you can redeem your SLC or your rifle or anything. Okay, so that is how simple it's done. Let me log out and show you how to create an account. Okay, let me log out right here. Click on this three button and log out. To use your email to start up an account. So once you click on your email, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and insert your year of birth, okay, and your gender, and then your occupation. So I'm going to I'm going to write tech product manager, and next. So select where you were born, which country you were born. So Australia. This will help them to understand your local language and how many years you have been there. 5 years. And what's your cultural background? Black or African American. If you're white or Asian or whatever, just go ahead and click it right there, and next. So what dialects you speak, what language you speak, just go ahead and type the language that you speak. If you speak Afrikaans, and your level of understanding, whether it's your native, whether you're frequent in it, or you just basic or controversial and actually native. So where is your dialect? Just click on I'm answering this question. Make sure that it's correct. This will enable this AI to understand where you're from and what they're going to give to you. Okay, so go ahead and accept the term and complete setup. So that is how simple it is. Once your account is done, you're going to bring out your local language. So this right here, I speak Afrikaans, and once I start up, I'm going to start making some USDC right here. So this is how easy it is to earn 10 USDC in this app. So make sure that you subscribe, click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. And if you're into trading, go ahead and join us right there on our Telegram. So see you guys in the next video.